We've all been there. That dreaded moment when your laptop screen cracks, flickers, or just goes blank. It's frustrating, but don't panic. There's always a solution. In this video, I will show you how to replace the LCD panel on your Lenovo ThinkBook. Tools needed: Phillips head screwdriver, pry tool, fine tip tweezers, replacement LCD panel. Remove the LCD bezel. Take your pry tool and gently insert it between the bezel and the screen frame. Start at one corner or edge, carefully working the pry tool around the perimeter of the bezel. If the bezel is snug, you may need to apply slight pressure, but don't force it. Use a gentle rocking motion instead. To fully separate the bezel from the LCD back cover, you will need to remove the hinge cover. Use your pry tool to gently lift the hinge cover from its position. After removing the hinge cover, locate the 3 M2 screws that secure the bezel to the LCD back cover. Use your screwdriver to remove the screws. With the screws removed and the hinge cover out of the way, gently pull the bezel away from the screen. Remove the LCD panel. Look along the bottom edges of the LCD panel, particularly on the left and right sides. Adhesive tape is applied to hold the panel in place. Use your tweezers to carefully grip the tape on the right side of the panel. Slowly pull the tape away from the panel. Be gentle to avoid tearing the tape. Now move to the left side of the panel. Follow the same technique as you did on the right side. Once both sides of the adhesive tape are removed, gently lift the LCD panel from the cover. Disconnect the EDP cable from the LCD panel. Install the replacement LCD panel. Place the new LCD panel on top of the top cover and reconnect the EDP cable. Place the adhesive tape along the left edge of the LCD back cover. Press it down gently to make sure it sticks firmly to the cover. Move to the right side. Follow the same technique as you did on the left side. Now position the replacement LCD panel into the back cover, aligning it with the frame guides. Replace the LCD bezel. Take the bezel and align it with the edges of the replacement LCD panel. Carefully press the bezel around the edges of the LCD panel, starting from one corner and working your way around the screen. Double check that the bezel is fully seated around the edges of the LCD screen, with no loose or misaligned sections. Now insert and tighten the 3 M2 screws evenly to secure the bezel to the LCD back cover. Replace the hinge cover. Align the hinge cover with the hinges. Press it into place, ensuring it snaps securely over the hinges. Inspect the bezel and hinge cover to ensure they are fully seated, then test the LCD panel. Final tips: bezel fitment. If the bezel doesn't snap in easily, double check for any hidden screws or clips that may be obstructing the fit. Screw tightness. Make sure all screws are secure, but avoid over-tightening to prevent cracking the bezel or damaging the panel. Cable routing. When replacing the bezel, make sure no cables are pinched or trapped between the screen and bezel. And that's it. Want more tech tips, repairs, and exclusive Lenovo insights? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on a new video.